Okay, this is just a little follow-up of the video I uploaded last night about the Bluetooth mod on this Pioneer TP-9006 car 8-track player. After I did the Bluetooth mod, I had full stereo sound from the Bluetooth, but on the AM/FM and the 8-track, the right channel was out. I got that fixed. I just had to redo some solder joints here, and where these wires are, because I did some soldering over here on this preamp board when I was trying to find a place to tap in for the signal for the Bluetooth module. But I just went ahead and got those redone, and now it's working. Let me get to this balance control. There we go, panned all the way to the right. Pan all the way to the left. Now full left. Now, pan back to both speakers. Yeah, the sound keeps cutting out because I keep pushing on the cartridge as I'm trying to adjust the balance. And that's causing the speed to go all wonky. It's kind of a pain in the ass that they designed that balance control that way. Okay. Okay, let's see, do we have both speakers in? Okay, yeah, we're panning back to both speakers now. So yeah, there we go. Right channel is fixed on the 8-track and AM/FM. Let's pull this. This is hard to do with one hand. This radio does sound really good. It's got a nice warm sound to it. Okay, let's get it all put back together. Well, here we are, all back together, hopefully for good this time.
Tell me, fellas, if you were dreaming of a big rock candy mountain, what would you find?
Now, for anybody wondering why I keep playing this kitty crap, it's just all I had handy that was in good playable condition. Like I said in the last video, I serviced this cartridge. I put a new foam pressure pad and new full splice in it, and it's still, the tape itself is in good condition. It still plays nice. And I've got this Elvis cartridge here that I serviced, but as you can see there, the tape is really worn. It's got a new pressure pad and full splice, but that's just really worn. And I've got this one here that I made a couple recordings on, but it doesn't have a new full splice or new pressure pad. As you can see, there's hardly anything left of that pressure pad, so that needs servicing. And I don't have the Power Director watermark on this video because I'm shooting this one with my iPhone. But I'll go grab the HTC One and use it as the Bluetooth source real quick. Okay, I got a stereo audio test queued up here. We got a problem here. Left and right channel are backwards. That's supposed to be right. It's coming out of left speaker. Yep, those are reversed. Okay, let's see. I think it's quite typical of these cheap Chinese electronics to have the left and right channels backwards. So whenever I unplug these connectors, well, usually the connector socket comes off with it, but it didn't this time. So what I'll do, I'll pull this connector socket off, flip it around. Okay, take care of that. Okay, very simple fix. I just pulled those connectors off and flipped them around. Much easier than taking the radio back apart and swapping wires. Let's try this now. Oh, God damn it, unlocked. Okay.
Contains flashes and moving images.
There we go. Okay, so there we go. Now the channels are correct. We got proper stereo audio. Just to recheck here, yes, I do have the speakers connected to the right wires on a lot of these old aftermarket stereos from the 70s and 80s. The green wires for the left speaker, the gray wires for the right speaker, and these speakers are ground referenced, so they just hook up to a common ground here. And then you got red for power. And then of course the antenna connector, which I have just a piece of wire stuck in there. So yeah, there we go. It's all back together. Let's disconnect Bluetooth. Make sure that AM/FM is still working. Yep, still got both channels on the AM/FM. Yep. We're good there. Okay. Well, it's all good to go now. Thanks for watching.